Bonjour à tous. Hello and welcome to Mini English Podcast. This podcast is for you, our amazing listeners in France and other French-speaking countries who are learning English and are looking for real, honest help. Today's topic is something many of you experience. You listen to English, you understand English, but when you try to speak, nothing comes out. You feel blocked. Words disappear. You freeze. Does this happen to you? Don't worry. You are not alone, and you're not doing anything wrong. It's a common feeling, and together we are going to fix it, step by step. In this special episode, we'll guide you through 6 powerful parts that will help you start speaking English with more confidence and ease. Part 1. Why you can't speak even if you understand. Let's start with a simple truth. Speaking is different from listening. Listening is easier. You hear words, you understand the meaning. But speaking needs more practice. You must think and talk at the same time. That's not easy. Here are 3 reasons why it's hard to speak. 1. You don't practice speaking. You watch movies, you listen to music, you read texts, but maybe you don't speak out loud. Your mouth is not used to making English sounds. 2. You feel shy or afraid. Many people feel scared to speak English. What if I make a mistake? What if my accent is bad? But mistakes are normal. You need mistakes to learn. 3. You want perfect sentences. You think too much before you speak. You want the perfect grammar, the perfect word, so you stay silent. But speaking is not perfect. It's real. Part 2. What stops you from speaking? Let's look at what makes speaking difficult. Number 1. You forget words. You know the word dog when you hear it, but you forget it when you need to say it. Why? Because you don't use it enough. Number 2. French and English are different. In French, you say, J'ai 30 ans. But in English, you say, I am 30 years old. The structure is different. Your brain feels confused. Number 3. You don't speak often. You understand many things, but speaking is a skill. You need to practice every day, like sport or music. Part 3. How to start speaking. Good news, you can fix this. Let's see how. 1. Repeat sentences, shadowing. Listen to short English. Then say the same sentence aloud. Copy the sound, rhythm, and speed. Example: TV. I like coffee. You. I like coffee. Do this 5 times. It helps your mouth learn English. 2. Change the subject. Use one sentence with different people. I eat lunch. You eat lunch. He eats lunch. We eat lunch. They eat lunch. Repeat every day. It helps you speak faster. 3. Speak to yourself. Yes, talk alone. Describe your day in English. I wake up. I brush my teeth. I take the bus. This is real practice. No teacher needed. 4. 2-minute talk. Every day, speak about one topic for 2 minutes. Topic: my favorite food. You say, I like pizza. I eat it every Friday. It has cheese. I feel happy when I eat pizza. Speak slowly. Make mistakes. That's okay. Part 4. A real story for inspiration. Let me tell you about Claire. She's from Marseille. She understands English very well. She watches Friends and laughs, but she never speaks. One day, she started a simple challenge. She spoke for 1 minute every day. She talked about food, clothes, her dog. At first, she was shy. She said only 3 words. After 10 days, she said full sentences. After 20 days, she told a full story. She was still not perfect, but she was speaking. Part 5. Easy sentences to use. Here are some simple phrases you can use anytime. Can I try? Sorry, I don't know this word. Let me think. I want to speak more English. Use them in class, at work, or even online. They help you start speaking without stress. Part 6. Small steps every day. Big change comes with small steps. Practice every day, even 5 minutes. Make a rule. Speak 1 sentence in English every morning. Say, I want coffee. Today is Monday. It's sunny. That's enough to start. Use your phone in English. Read short texts. Listen and repeat. These are small but powerful actions. You don't need more grammar. You need more talking. You can speak English. So, let's end with this. If you say, I understand, but I can't speak, remember, speaking is possible. It needs time. It needs small action. Every word you say is progress. Every sentence builds your confidence. Speak alone. Speak with friends. Speak with mistakes. French learners are strong. You have ideas. You have style. Now you just need to speak. Thank you for listening to Mini English Podcast. Try 1 sentence today. Say it proudly. Say it out loud. You're ready. À bientôt. Keep speaking. You're doing great.